What's good? We got a lot planned today, but I mean, we should do it one at a time. So first things first, GruppeM intake installation. If y'all want to see the unboxing, check it out here. Otherwise, we're gonna get to some sound tests, then we're gonna install, and then see how it sounds before and after, and then yeah, see what else we can do today. But first things first, intake. Let's go. Alright guys, so the intake on this one is under the driver's seat, as you can see, and pretty much just gonna install it right here. And all it takes is taking out the factory box, taking out and relocating the intake air temperature sensor, readjusting the intake tube to fit the new filter, and then taking off the breather clamp to relocate that into the new intake. And that's about it. Should be pretty simple. So gonna get set up, gonna get started, gonna hit you with that time lapse, and then we'll be right back when it's installed. And there you have it, guys. Took me a little over an hour to install. It wasn't too complicated. The instructions, yeah, they were kind of poor, but if you need any help installing yours, let me know. I really didn't have to relocate this one. In the instructions, they said to loosen it out of the clamp, but there's, as you can see, enough slack, so not sure why. They also made you relocate this, which, I mean, kind of makes sense. It still clears, but I guess there's better airflow. I'm probably going to put another zip tie here to secure down the intake air temperature sensor. I just don't want it rattling around as much. Sounds ridiculous. Love it. Hope you enjoyed the sound clips. And as always, thank you very much. Peace out.